What's up guys, Wakas here from Digital Feeds today with another video review. And I think one of the most essential accessories for shooting your videos is a tripod. And the one I'll be taking a look at today is the Geekoto 77-inch video tripod. Geekoto makes a ton of different tripods, but the one I have here is the Geekoto 8024 Video Cameraman. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. In this video, I'll talk more about its features and designs, but let's first unbox it and see what's inside. The tripod supports aluminum construction, which means it's quite well built. It supports an all black finish with a few orange accents. One of the coolest things about this tripod is its size. I'm 6 feet tall and I had absolutely no issues shooting my videos while standing, and I think at 77 inches it's quite more than enough for shooting even your overhead videos. Another cool feature about the tripod is that you can use it as a monopod. To do that, all you have to do is just unscrew one of its legs, attach it to the fluid head, and you're good to go. This extends its height even further up to 80 inches, which is really nice if you want to fit the monopod in really tight places where a tripod is not an option. The monopod does come with a rubber grip, so you won't have any problem handling the tripod in monopod mode, which is a really nice touch in my opinion. Another cool feature about this tripod is the quick release clips on its legs, which are good enough to quickly open and close the legs, and even though they are made out of plastic, it doesn't seem to be easily breakable. The tripod allows you to quickly detach and attach the camera via its quick release plate. This plate is very well made. It's although made out of plastic, but it's well designed. I didn't have any major issue while removing it from my camera. A lot of people these days take pictures or shoot videos from their smartphones, and yes, this tripod does allow you to attach your phone to the tripod itself. For that you will need to have a phone mount with you, and while this is not included with this tripod, you can buy it from Amazon itself. The most important feature of any tripod is its head, and this one comes with a video head, which means you won't have any issue for tilting and panning in your shots. And even though this video head is not the best in class, it does a pretty good job considering its price tag. The pans are smooth and you can do full 360-degree pan shots, even though the tilting is limited up to 70 or 90 degrees only. At the bottom of the tripod head are small measuring units. This can come in handy if you want to smooth out your shots in panning up to a certain degree. This is a real video which I recorded during panning, and as you can see, the pans are really smooth and there's absolutely no poor stabilization or anything. And the same is absolutely true for the tilting as well. There are not jerks and the fluid head is doing a pretty good job. Now comes the most important question, which is how much load capacity does this tripod support? Well, according to Geekoto, you can easily throw in up to 20 pounds, which means most DSLR cameras will easily fit in even with the most heavy lenses. So that won't be a problem for you even if your camera is very heavy. Even though this tripod is pretty phenomenal for this price range, it's of course not without a few caveats. For instance, a few plastic parts it has feels a bit flimsy. And being a fluid head, it's not as good as the more expensive fluid heads from companies like Manfrotto. But hey, I'm not trying to nitpick here because this tripod is simply amazing and does have really awesome features other than a few weak points I mentioned earlier. If you like this tripod, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool videos in the future.